I'm Mark. Welcome back to Everyone Can Grill. Today we're going to make a quick and easy beer bread. Mix everything together, throw it on the grill, and let it go. So let's get started. Alright, this beer bread can't get any easier than this. I'm using a smaller size Lodge cast iron bread pan, 2 tablespoons of regular sugar, 2 cups of self-rising flour, and just for a little bit of flavor, I'm using about a half of a brick of extra sharp cheddar cheese, cubed up, and you need the beer to go with it. So I'm just using a Yingling lager. I cook with what I like to drink. Let's put this together. My grill is heating up. I'm going to use a gas grill today. We're going to run it right about 350 degrees, indirect. So the hardest part is mixing all this together. Mix all the dry in first, and I'm just literally throwing everything in there. I'm going to give this a good, healthy mix. What's neat about this is the flour kind of gets on that cheese, and it'll hold it in suspension a little bit better. This is thick enough to where it's not going to drop to the bottom anyhow, I don't think, but that's supposed to help. Now we're going to use, like I said, my Yingling lager, and this is going to be a little bit soupy. I'm going to start off with a little more than a half a beer, and I can tell you right now this isn't going to be enough. Whoops, making a little mess. Let's go a little more and see how that goes. That's getting closer. We might end up using the whole beer today. You know what? We're gonna use the whole beer today no matter what. It'll cook off. Use your favorite beer. If you want to add anything extra to this, you can. I mean, my brother TJ makes a killer one. He adds jalapenos to it. And boy, oh boy, is it good. He slices them, seeds them, adds them in the mix. Yeah, see how that's kind of gloopy, I guess you would call it? That's what we're looking for. Don't overwork it. Get it to where you want it. And then let's get this in the pan. Just like this. I am a huge cornbread fan, but I'll tell you what, since I started making this, and this is my buddy Scott's recipe, so a shout out to Scott, because he's the one that had me taste it. I fell in love with it. I'd never make cornbread anymore because I make this all the time. So there you go. Not overworked. We're ready to put this on. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do that right now. I have one grill going, one grill off. So it's in the cast iron on the Weber gas grill, and I'll show you what it looks like on there in a second. But we're going to leave it go for 40 minutes, and then we'll test it. It'll be good. Okay, like I said, I got it on this side. This side I have on like medium high. I'm going to keep feathering that back and forth to keep this at 350. The other side is off, and all we got to do is let it cook. I'll bring you back when I test it and it shows clear. Okay, it has been 30 minutes, and I'm going to pull this off the grill. Look at that. I think we got enough cheese in it. Let's do our poke test. Look at it, clean as a whistle. Can't ask for any more than that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to run my knife around the edge. Look, you don't even need to, but since I had the cheese in there, I was going to. Because I want to get this nothing on the knife at all. With ice. But I want to get this out of the cast iron and stop the cooking process so we don't end up with a burnt bottom. I'm just going to give it a flip. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. My goodness. Look at the bottom of it. It's perfect. You can see a little bit of cheese there caramelized on it. Oh, yeah. Now that thing is literally hotter than the hubs of hell. But I want to cut into just a corner of it. Get a little taste of this. Look at that. You can see the cheese in there. Oh my gosh. Man, I'm telling you, that is so much better than anything you're going to want to throw together. Just cut it into pieces, cut it into chunks. You can make something to dip it in. But seriously, just rip it apart and eat it. It doesn't get any better than this for a quick and easy appetizer while you're sitting around grilling something else, drinking a bunch of beer with your buddies. The easiest beer bread you're ever going to want to make. So once again, I'm Mark. This is Everyone Can Grill. Get off your butts and fire them up.